welcome back to another one of my products in 5 video. In today's video, we're going to talk about skin polish, and I'm also going to add in a little bit about due date because this is my nighttime routine. So skin polish is a beautifully scented, lemon scented mask and scrub combined with jojoba beads to help scrub away the impurities and the dehydrated skin that you have. So it's a nice texture. The little jojoba beads are very small, but they work very well to help scrub away the day's gunk. So you scrub it in. So along with the jojoba beads, there's oils from olives and lemons and cypress, and it helps to protect and restore your skin. And like I said, the little beads scrub away all the dehydrated cells that you have that are ready to fluff off the dry skin, the impurities in your skin. Okay, so that's the scrub part. Now the mask part is you leave this on for 10 to 15 minutes and then you wash it off with a nice warm cloth and you hold tight, and I will be back in 15 minutes when this is ready to come off. All right, we're back. It's been 15 minutes and I am going to wash this off with a warm washcloth. There we go. Oh, it smells so good. If you like lemons and lemonade, if you like a lemon meringue pie or anything like that, you are absolutely going to love this. This has such a beautiful scent to it. All right, so I'm going to pat this dry. And now I'm going to follow up with due date. Now this video is about the skin polish, which again looks like this, but this is part of my nighttime routine, so I'm going to follow it up with some due date. Due date is a blend of vegetable and therapeutic essential oils, and it helps rejuvenate your skin. I'm going to, it is an oil, so you just need 1 pump. And I'm going to under the eyes. There we go. And that's my nighttime routine. Now, due date you can use by itself like I do at night, or you can put it on your skin with a moisturizer before you put your foundation on, and you will get that nice youthful glow. So there you go. If you have any questions, please find me at Facebook at facebook.com/Karen Kirby, and I hope you have yourself a wonderful evening. Thanks for watching. See you next time.